Yeah boy, back again guys, how you going? Right, today's mission, some whiting and some calamari at the local. So I've just shot down there now, it's a pretty low tide. Just got to paddle out past this mud and weed, drop the drive in, get the Bixby going. We're not going too far. It'll probably be off the water by dark. It's 2 o'clock now, so try and smash about 10 whiting if we can. And then as soon as that happens, we're going to go look for some calamari. There's some nice ones about at the moment. Yeah, so we're going to rip into it and see how we go again. Conditions at the moment are a bit, what do we got? It's probably about 5 knots from the southeast, so she's a little bit onshore. But mate, she's perfect anyway. It's not bad. Water conditions are quite clear actually. So we've had a bit of rain, but anyway, I don't think that's going to deter the squid. Hopefully we'll find some squid, and hopefully we'll find some whiting. So yeah boy, let's see how we go, crackers. Alright, we just pulled up, we just baited our first one up. Smack bang on the mark. See how long this takes. Hopefully not too long. It's saying that it's a beautiful afternoon and I hope it doesn't go too fast because I want to enjoy it as well. Yeah. Get this other rod in. Gonna fish 2 rods today. Again, using those Black Magic whiting snatchers. Best bloody pre-made rigs for whiting fishing. It's so good. Alright, let's get this one in. Got our first one on, finally. Not a bad thing. Just had some bloke roll up, snake moss. got on the drift because my anchor didn't hold, and then a boat pulled right behind me and dumped himself right when I was fishing. But anyway, I found them. So there's the first one. Oh well, that's good sign anyway. Catch a few more. Got another one. Jeez, they're few and far between today. Can't even see into the sun. Another quality whiting though. Yeah boy. Tinglings. Yeah, look how slimy he is. Oh no, it's just a big bit of weed. There's so much weed today. But anyway, a few more. If I even get 5 today, I'll be happy. Right, we might have found them. We might have found them. Or they found me. Come here, champion. Right, they're running. Let's get this going on. Let's get this show on the road. Get these baits back in the water. It's 2 in 2 minutes, so it's been a lot better than what we've been doing. So, gonna flick it straight back to that same spot. Right, let's go. Let's catch another one. Beautiful King George whiting. Is it going to do it again? That is the question. It's hot on this side of the boat, not on this side yet. Come on, come on! on another. Woohoo! Whoa! It's a big goatie. Man, we're gonna take him. Big goat fish. Yeah, man, he's gonna be good. Sick goatie. These things got like a, when you fillet them, they got a nice red sort of flesh in behind them, and it sort of looks a little bit like crayfish when you fillet them up. The Europeans absolutely love them, and he's a really good size one, so I'm going to probably take him home for a feed, just because I'm not getting enough whiting at the moment. So he's going to come in handy just to fill it all up. Look, he's got a big massive top fin on him. He's wicked. Yeah, boy. Yeah. What have we got now? Oh, it's another whiting, but she's, oh man, she's tiny as. Thought something was playing around with it. This one's gonna have to go back. Oh, you're too little, buddy. You're going home. Tell your mum and dad where we're at. Man, that's the first bite in a little while. Things are getting pretty quiet out here. Sun's starting to drop and the tide's starting to slow up, so as soon as it sort of really starts to slow up, that's when I'm going to go for a drift for some squid, and yeah, we'll see what it's about. I've just talked to a couple of boat guys and they reckon there's some pretty good ones about, and I've seen that there is a few good ones about on some other pages and that, so hopefully there's one or two around for us today, so we'll see how we go. Yeah, boy. Oh, this is a big one. This is a big one. This is the biggest one of the day. This is a full string puller. Whoa. Yeah, boy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, boy. Oh, sick fun. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where you going? It might not be a whiting running like that. She might be salmon or something like that, maybe. Yeah, bro, she's a, oh no, it's a GT. No, it's a Trevally. Silver Trevor. Brilliant. Come over here, you're going to be sashimi for me. Yeah, boy. It's a nice silver Trevally. Man, these things are my favourite gummy shark baits. Also, I'm very partial to having them for food as well, for sashimi, so that's a nice one. We're going to take him home for sure. Yeah, bro, hopefully there's another one. Let's get him. Righto, so that wasn't as good as I thought it was going to go, but anyway, we've still got some fish on for some dinner. We've got probably got about 5 or 6 whiting. We've got a nice red mullet and some Trevally for sushimi. Yeah. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to see how this drift goes for some calamari. At the moment, the tide should be starting to slow up a bit, but the thing is, I've got the wind sort of picked up a lot, so I'm going to be drifting a lot faster than expected. So I'm going to punch up into the wind, and then I'm going to drift back down this weed line, and hopefully we can snag one or two, hopefully. And yeah, it's going to be tricky, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, stay with us anyway. We'll see how it goes, guys. Yeah, well, that was definitely, there's too much tide and too much wind to drift the squid, so I've had to knock it on the head, but got a good feed anyway, guys. Yeah, boy, that's the latest trip from the crackers. Yeah, boy, see you next time.